Hi friends, welcome to J Cooks. Today we're making rose water. You only need a few simple ingredients, so let's get into it. So to start off, we're of course going to need some rose petals. Here I have a rose and I'm just picking apart the petals and getting them ready. I recommend you use organic rose petals for this. However, if those aren't readily available, you can use regular rose petals. Once you're done picking apart all the petals, go ahead and place them in a pot like this. Once you're done picking apart the petals, you're going to place a small cooling rack in the pot and then add some water. This could be filtered or distilled water. If you don't have a cooling rack, that's alright. You can just place a small bowl, as long as it's heat or oven safe, in the pot itself. By putting a bowl inside the pot, this is going to help us collect the condensated rose water. As you see here, I'm adding ice on top of the lid. Again, this is going to help us create more condensation, which is going to give us more rose water. We're just going to let the water come to a boil and we're going to give the ice a chance to melt. Here I've allowed the water to boil for 20 minutes. Very carefully, you're going to remove the lid. This has the ice water. As you can see, the bowl we placed in it has now collected the condensated rose water. We're just going to place the bowl to the side and give it a chance to cool off. Beneath the little bowl, we also have the other rose water done. This one has a rosy color because of the red roses that we used, and the colors were extracted in the boiling process. Set this aside for cooling as well. When the rose water is done cooling, go ahead and place it in a jar or a bottle of your choice. With the other half of the batch of rose water, you're going to want to put this through a fine mesh and strain out the petals. After you're done straining the petals, we're going to repeat the same process of storing the rose water in a bottle or jar of our choice. And there you have it, your rose water is ready. You can use this as a facial toner, as a spray. You can put it in your foods, or you can use it in pooja too. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.